Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Brace yourself because बहन चोद आज बहुत गाली निकलने वाली है. Whenever I say this story, there's a lot of rage inside me because I did not need to date another human being to realize that आदमी चूतिया है कुछ भी चाहता है. Okay, have you ever thought that how would it be like to date a very famous person? Well, I did, and फिर भी मेरा चूतिया ही कटा. So brace yourself for another amazing, stupid, badass story in my life. By the way, if you want to skip all the drama and get directly into the climax of the story, then you can watch it on my Instagram because I put a very concise 30 seconds wala reel regarding this same instant. But I suggest you do not miss all the spice because it has a lot of masala which I couldn't fit in that 30 seconds video. But अगर तुमको सुमड़े में निपटाना है वो story, then you can go and check it on my Instagram. Cross promotion, let's go, because if I don't do it, who the fuck will do? Anyways, let's dive right into the story. So I don't exactly remember when this is based in. This has to probably be like 3-4 years back. तो जब कॉमिक्सतान आया था, I can't tell you the exact season, but जब कॉमिक्सतान चल रहा था, then I was एक बंदे का रील ना मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा था. He was not very famous back then, but for some reason वो ही बंदा मेरे फीड पे आ रहा था बहुत ज्यादा. और मेरे को भी रात के नशे में क्या चुल मच रही थी पता नहीं. I just texted him saying कि hey, you know I loved you on Comicstan, hope to see you soon. ऐसा कुछ तो I've put. I'll show you the screenshot here. And of course, bhai, he did not reply. Why the fuck will he? I don't know what I was thinking. I just like chul mach rahi thi, so I sent him that. He obviously did not reply. I think after probably 2 years, he replied to my text. And then I was in Bangalore only, and he was also in Bangalore. And then we started talking, and he's like, yeah, even I'm in Bangalore. Do you want to meet? I was like, okay, dude. I mean, come on, famous person is gonna meet me. So I was like, let's go, let's meet. So it was decided that he actually also sort of kind of called me to one of his gigs. But I was like, gig mein jaake kya hi karu? Meko aise, if you give me special treatment and be like, my friend has come, then it's okay. Nahi, aise pay karke, I don't want to go. Like, it's better we go on a date. Main kyun jao bhai pay karke, meko nahi dekhna. So I was like, if you want to catch up later, let's meet. Then he's like, okay, I'll be in Koramangala only. You also come meet. So there was a very good brewery there. And I was like, chalo, idhar let's meet. And that used to be my hangout spot as well. So I was like, let's go, let's meet there. So मैं मस्त बन ठन के गई. And then the guy comes. Chappal and shorts. ठीक है भाई, I don't want to be judgmental, let him wear whatever because I know he's funny. Like मैंने उसके reels देखे and he is a funny person. So I was like, okay, let's not judge. And private सा comedy show तो मिल जाएगा. I was like, cool, let's go. So then we go to the brewery and the first half of the date actually went pretty good. I was very impressed because he was making all these jokes and I was really intrigued and I was like, acha, you are funny, ha ha ha, very nice. Also, who doesn't want gossip in their life, right? So मैं पूछ रही थी सबको इसके बारे में, इसका पता है? He's like, हाँ ये है. I was like, also इसका? He's like, हाँ ये है. I was like, yes, I know all the gup, I know all the inside stories. So मेरे को तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा था because उनको मैंने टीवी पे देखा है यार. I mean, ऐसे स्क्रीन पे देखा है. Then you sit with one of them and he's telling the gossip, I mean insider story. So I was like, nice. मेरे को तो अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के. पता नहीं क्या सनक गई उसकी. Probably few down and then uski real not so funny side. Towards the later part of the date, he straight up started being creepy being touching me here and there or just trying to be all, you know, intimate basically, and I did not like it. I was like, no. So after a while, conversation also became very boring and wahi one track mind. He's like, after this, do you want to, you know, get together, we'll go someplace, do you want to go to my place and blah blah blah. I was like, no thank you. And he was not letting me go. He's like, jaldi kya hai, let's not go now. I was like, mere ko hai bhai, mere ko jana hai, mere ko bore maar raha hai. But I'm too good to say it on his face, so I did not say. I tried to dodge as much as I could. And I shouldn't have actually. उसी टाइम कट के निकल लेना चाहिए. But I was like, ठीक है, benefit of the doubt, ठीक है. Yeah, उसके बाद पता नहीं उसको क्या माता चढ़ गई. He started giving me फालतू का ज्ञान. तुमको लगता है कि तुम मेरे को ऐसे, you know, शो में देखा तो मेरे पास बहुत पैसे हैं. ये मैंने कब बोला? मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं. बट वो अपना ही धुन गा रहा है. He's like, नो पर ऐसा नहीं है, यू नो, यू आर रियली अंडरपेड एंड टिकट कभी सेल होता है कभी नहीं. तो बेसिकली थोड़ा रंडी रोना ही स्टार्टेड. I was like, ठीक है. रंडी रोना तक also it was fine because I felt like it was a conversation, so I did not mind. He was telling me कि हाँ ठीक है, नहीं है पैसे, ये है. तो he's like, you're a dentist only, no, so तुमको तो आएंगे पर तुमको तो बाद में आएंगे ना. I was like, ठीक है, रियलिटी चेक नहीं चाहिए था. बोल ओके थैंक यू. उसने इतना मर्डर कर दिया था कन्वर्सेशन का कि मेरे को कुछ और बोलने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई से समथिंग ही मेक्स इट इनटू अ डिबेट कि मैं उसके अगेंस्ट ही बोल रही हूँ और उसको justify करना है. I was like, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं भाई. I'm agreeing to what you're saying. So after a while it just got monotonous. So I was like, listen, I have to go, I can't. And he tried a lot to convince me not to go, or at least come home with me. But I was like, nahi, mere ko college hai, I have to go, I have to get up, and I stay very far. So he's like, do you want me to come? I'm like, bhai, nahi, mere roommate ki maa aayi hui hai, you can't come. So I was like, somehow I convinced him, and I was like, chalo, I really need to go. So जब हम लोग लिफ्ट के लिए रुके हुए थे, I could hear him breathe here, like वो बंदा इधर था, and I knew that if I turn, he's gonna try doing something. So मैं इधर उधर देख रही थी, फोन पे कुछ कुछ कर रही थी, so that I just avoid this whole awkward scenario. For some reason, I wanted to maintain a little dignity, or at least that respect that I have for him. So I was trying to distract myself on the phone. We entered into the lift. Started, just his hand slid through my waist, and I was like, listen, this is not happening. And he's like, okay. Then again he comes closer, he starts breathing down my neck again, and I was like, listen, when I said, and I was being polite, but I was really trying to say that, listen, this is not happening, can you just back the fuck off? And then he's like, okay. Finally we reached downstairs, and then he is trying to hold my hand. I was like, listen, I said this is not working, I just want to go home, can you leave me alone? He's like, why did you not like me? I was like, yeah, clearly not. What the fuck are you doing? I'm clearly uncomfortable. Can't you see that? Of course, I said it in a very polite tone, but I was like, meko ghar jana hai. Why the fuck did I even sign up for this? Then he's like, okay, I'll book you a cab. I'm like, rehne de bhai, I will go by myself. I'll book myself an auto, Uber, jo bhi ho. I just want to get the fuck out. And if you're someone who stays in Bangalore, or you know that someone who stays in Bangalore, you will know that jab cab chahiye, tab cab nahi milta. So I'm waiting there for 10 minutes and I cannot find a cab. And jo bhi mil raha hai, bhenchod, they are cancelling. And the more and more the cabs are getting cancelled, the more and more I am getting agitated, because I do not want to entertain this fucker even for a minute. So I was like, he's like, listen, just come home only, you're not getting any auto. I was like, nahi bhai, main akele chale jaungi, chal ke chale jaungi, but I don't want to breathe another second in the same air as you. Finally, jaise taise, I just found a cab, and I had to book an overpriced cab only, क्योंकि auto ना मिल रही थी और बाकी मिल नहीं रहा था, तो I had to book a fucking SUV. I was like, I just want to go, jo bhi mil raha tha, I just booked everything, and I finally found one, and I was like, listen, I'm going. So he is like, jate time, he's like, I was like, are you kidding me? Itna I tried, I'm pushing you away, and you still have the audacity to come and hug me. I was like, listen, this is not happening. He's like, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, text when you reach, and blah, blah, blah. I was like, bah, go. Finally sit in the cab, I'm breathing heavily. I was like, thank God, finally bala tali. Then he texts me saying, I'm so sorry. No, sorry to usne bhenchod bola hi nahi, I don't remember. But he said like, should we do this again? I did not reply because I wanted to take some time to process whatever the fuck just happened. After a while, when I reached home, I texted him saying that, listen, it's not a good idea that we meet because I did not have a good time. Obviously, it hurt his male ego, right? So उसने मेरे को block कर दिया उसी क्षण पे, and then he unfollowed me also on Instagram. And then yeah, सब जगह से हटा दिया उसने मेरे को. And I was like, भाई मेरे को तेरे को हटाना चाहिए था, बहन जो तूने मेरे को हटा दिया. I was like, whatever, I can't sweat all these little things in my life. But it was very funny. मेरे को हंसी आ गई थोड़ी सी, because men are very entitled like that. I'm sorry, but some men are very entitled like that. So the lesson that I learned from this dating fiasco is that फेमस हो या ना फेमस हो, भैंचोद मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं और ड्रामा लाइफ में. I really, for some reason, actually, it's my fault that I really think that once someone becomes famous, because there are so many people following you, there has to be a reason, right? You have to be a good person. But ऐसा नहीं है. Reality checks are very different. In fact, I know 2 more famous people that I've been with. वो लोग भी चूतिए हैं. So I don't know who the fuck is really following them and for what reasons. I learned my lesson कि नहीं चाहिए भाई. Funny story, whenever I say this story and when I actually put it on Instagram and then I told it to my friends also, everyone thought that it's Samay Raina. I know it's not Samay Raina for shit. It's someone you guys might probably know because वो है famous, but whatever. If you can guess it, I don't know, but whatever. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe, do the needful, and I'll see you another time with another amazing story. Okay, bye. Namaste.